Today I'm gonna make my own cable for Syringe Pump Pro. I have new Era in 9000 version, and there is a document that you can follow it, and it says can you make your own pump cable. So I followed this and I got all the cables I need, the pieces. So based on here, you will need to use this kit, which I have bought it. This is a kit. It's called DB9. Just a moment. So DB9 male RJ11 adapter. So basically the adapter, this is the RJ11 and DB9 adapter. So it comes with this part as well. So I can add a link to it. If you are from New Zealand or Australia, it would be same supplier can give you. And also you will need another cable, which is a telephone cable. So this telephone cable, it should be RJ11 to RJ11, which is the pins here. If I can, okay, can't really focus on it. Yeah, as you can see, it's black, red, green, and yellow, and the same things is here. So it should be same, black, red, green, and yellow. So we have these pieces. So let's make that. To make it based on the instruction, which is very useful, it says the black of the black cable, it should go to black cable of this adapter should go to pin 2 of this one, and the green one should go to pin 3 and the red one to pin 5. So you just push these ones. So the black goes to 2. Just see the 2. So this is 2, front row, and then the green to the 3, and the red one to 5. So that would be the last one. Also, they mentioned to cut out this yellow one as much as you can, but I just left that here inside. So if you press it into that, so it will sit inside it. So now this part is ready. I mean, it's not really a hard job. So you connect one end of the cable to this part, and then another one would be to the pump. And just pay attention, there is 2 things here, 2 port. So this one, it says 2 computer and 2 network. So you must connect it to the 2 network. So we connect it to the 2 network. Okay. Then we need to connect this part. If your computer, I mean, can support this type of things, as you can see, there's like a 3 pins out. So if it can support this type of cables, it's okay. Otherwise, you can use this USB cable, which I believe it is, forgot the name, I will add the link to the description so you can get it, and there is more information on their website too. So you're gonna just match these 2 ones together. As you can see, I got this type of adapter, so this one doesn't really match. So they have gender issue. How do I resolve it? It's to use the extension cable. Just see, I've got another one that is already made. So I use an extension cable which can change the gender. So this one will easily go to that. So they are matched. And then the end of that one will sit to this cable. And then I'll show you how to do it. So let's just see the whole setup. How does it look like? So as I said, to the pump, the cable to the pump, and then to our adapter, DB9 adapter, and then to this extension cable, which is changing the gender. I felt it's not really secure, so I taped it, and then another end of it, which is the same as the other side, we will connect it to this. You can secure this one as well, and then you can connect this to the port, the USB port on your computer, which is, I am going to use this pump in a LabVIEW program. If you want to know how did it go, my LabVIEW program, I will upload my work very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.